very best, and I once again thank all the dignitaries and whose presence in stage for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Those of you who are about to graduate from Excel Institute, keep your eyes peeled, your hands on the wheels, and watch out for the corners. It may at times seem a bumpy road, but never let it throw you or let you down. Your education will not end with what you have learned here. Shakespeare so long ago had written, "All the world is school, for us men and women are the students." Life always has something new to teach us, and those who will most succeed are those who are the quickest to learn. So you should have the readiness to learn, to adapt, and if necessary, to start afresh. In the past, our success owed much to our industrious workforce, but times and trends and economic forces have changed. In the future, we can no longer only depend on our traditional strengths, but must find also new skills, new ways, new recipes for success. You will be part of the exciting quest, and if you were to restrict myself to just 2 sentences in imparting my advice, those words are to be adaptable and stay alert. With these few words, I would like to thank everybody. Thank you so much, and I wish you all a very great for your success in the future. Thank you so much.
As you like, but it is just the thoughts or the experience which I encountered from the day I left college until date where I am here today, standing before you. The first thing which stared at me as soon as I left college in those days, that is late 80s or early 90s, was technological changes. So an average engineer in the late 80s and 90s, early 90s, gets obsolete in at least 5 to 6 months, unless you get educated or update yourself with technology. Today it may be 1 or 2 years maybe. So it is then important that every engineering student as such should anticipate the pace of change and get himself updated with the skills. So it's basically a lifelong learning system. So learning doesn't stop with college. That's what I'm trying to say. So it's not that it is very much necessary or compulsory to update yourself to stay in your work. You can do that even without doing that. But there are embarrassments and so many other situations where you may have to face, which may not be joyful for you. Just a small incident which I would say, or I like to share with you, maybe like a story where one person who was driving around a countryside, he suddenly sees a shepherd who was grazing a sheep. So he stops and he asks the shepherd, he calls him, he says, "I can tell you how many sheep you have. It's a huge flock within 5 minutes. And if I tell it correct, can you give me one sheep?" He says, "Yes, try it." He was a little confused. So immediately this fellow opens his laptop, connects to the GPS, does some mapping, and some output comes. He says 1249. He said, "Absolutely correct." Then the shepherd says, "Okay, I'll take one." So this fellow picks one and puts in his car. Then the shepherd stops him. He says, "If I tell you who you are and what your profession is, will you give me back whatever you're taking from me?" He said, "Yes." So that fellow says, "You're a consultant." This fellow gets confused. How did you find out? He says 3 things. The consultant comes without being invited. Then he does all his analysis and says something which I already know. He already knows that he has 2049 sheep. And third, you doesn't know the job because instead of my sheep, you have taken my dog. So please give it back. So these type of encounters, if you want to avoid, I think you need to get updated or know exactly what you are going to do. So just collecting data, today, if you consider 20 years back, whoever the client, if you deal, are more updated on certain things than you are, if you don't get updated. So you need to always be one step ahead of your client. and every time you don't